Alright, so right now it's 1:29 and 1:30 in the morning. I was up at, so I brushed my teeth. So this is usually what time I made a deal with the Creator, which is God. And I say Creator just because I respect all religions. So in the Bible, it does say the Creator. So anyway, so if I'm up, if I feel good, I get up. And it happens to be 1:30 in the morning. So I'm going to start my day. I created this planner. And basically, I'm going to start it off this morning, tracking every 30 minutes of my day. Got a plethora of things going on, but I've got to study for this GC course. So in studying for it, I've actually got to find the answers. And this is the first book. I call it the GC Holy Bible. So I'm going to be finding every single answer within this course, within the course book, which is right here. And here's the answers that I've got to go find. So I've got to find the answers and match it, and then find it within the book, and then highlight it. And I've got my pens, my markers, my highlighters, and you're allowed to underline, so underline in red. Yeah, and this is how I'm gonna have to find everything. So this is 1:30 in the morning. So follow my journey. And again, military veteran turned real estate investor, wants to make an impact in the world and is turning into a developer. Even though I've done a couple land developments, but now I'm going to take it to the next stage, which is I actually want to build my own communities one day with modern homes, and which we call Elon Right, standing for Elon Musk and Franklin Wright, giving honor to them, tapping into their spirits because they're amazing individuals. I just want to see, if we can do something amazing just like they did. So follow the journey. Let me get my hot water because I can't do creamer. Doesn't sit well with me. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, this is a day in the life of a real estate developer, doing his best to come up. And to me, I have to create the time. And if you're a father, you understand that. I have 2 boys, not little anymore, one 21 and one 14-year-old. And it is what it is. Just gotta make it happen. There's no excuses at all. So yeah, follow the journey. Now it's 1:32. See you guys. All right, so I just finished doing a workout because I just finished my 2-hour studying. So basically what it looks like is started at number 23 and at 56, and at 57 coming up for the, again, studying the GC exam. So I'm only on the first book. There's 16 books. I call this one the Bible because it's got all the Florida statutes and everything else for building. So again, just follow the journey. Military veteran, going to turn from an investor to developer, and I'm getting my GC license. Mainly reason is, again, I keep on just seeing in the atmosphere of the real estate market in the United States that specific skills are just going to get harder and harder in the future. And so I'm doing what I can on my part to make sure that we have the best quality of workers and the best quality of jobs, that we can do some amazing, cool, modern developments that anybody and everybody can afford. So right now it's 4:33, and I'm about to take a shower, meditate, and get ready for the next work day. Anyway, hopefully you're enjoying this. Talk to you. Thanks.